Hello, so I'll be going over my ePortfolio for Intro to Communications and Media class. So when you first come in, you will be greeted by the welcome page. You will find a picture of myself, as well as underneath a ePortfolio tour. Then you will be greeted by an About Me. In the About Me, you will find a brief explanation about myself as well as a picture and the reasons why I'm going to school professional studies. And you will find one of my favorite quotes by Frida Kahlo, which is, "I tried to drown my sorrows, but the bastards learned how to swim, and now I'm overwhelmed by this decent and good feeling." Fun fact, her and I share the same birthday, which showcases how much I like her. Once you browse through the About Me page, you will find one of the assignments that I completed for this semester, which is branding and its cities. Something that I found very interesting while taking this class is that I never correlated advertising and branding with an actual country. And this is something that never clicked for me. Tourism is a big thing in this country, in the world actually. And we see it in the Caribbean, especially in Mexico, Latin America, Europe, where tourism brings revenue. So you will find a brief little history and explanation about one of the assignments that was due, which I loved doing. It just showed me a lot in terms of branding. And it's not something, like I said before, that I really looked forward to or into at all. So once you're done browsing my branding of cities, you will find social media and politics. This is also something that we see on a daily basis, especially now with everything that's going on in social media movements and social movements in general with the Black Lives Matter. I never understood how political campaigns play a role in social media, or how social media plays a role in political campaigns. We generally get pop-up ads, especially while we're browsing through YouTube videos. We'll get a little campaign ad, and it's not something that I really focused on until I took this course. So one of the assignments that we had was to dissect why a political campaign would go viral. So someone that I admire very much is Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, which is one of the reasons why I focused my analysis on her. It's pretty interesting. You should definitely go read. Also, you will find attached my resume. So in my resume portion, hopefully it clicks. So in my resume portion, I currently work for a nonprofit organization called Cayuga Centers, and it's very interesting the work that I do, because we work for we provide services to undocumented children who enter the country alone, and basically we help them reunite with their families. So we provide them with health care, education, food, shelter, anything a child may need and should be getting, regardless of their situation, right? So this is something that I am very proud of doing. You will find a little brief history of like what I actually do for the center and the nonprofit. Just go ahead and see it down below. And also you will find a contact me page. I've linked in my Instagram, my LinkedIn, and my Twitter, which is some of the platforms that I generally use on a daily basis. LinkedIn, obviously, for my for professional purposes. I interact with people who I generally network with. My Instagram, it's a little bit more personal. I don't have an active Instagram account. Well, I do, but which I created for this class, where I actually use it just as a portfolio, and which I'm considering actually doing after I complete this course. And my Twitter, I pretty much advocate for the things that I feel deserve to be heard and things that need to change, not only socially but politically. And it's very interesting. So you can go and reach me there, and also my school email I provided for everyone. Overall, this course was very interesting. Like I said, it opened my eyes to a lot of things where we don't normally pay attention to. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your summer. Have a great day.